Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to use your credit balance on Temu. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. So credit balance in Temu is actually the amount of money you're having on your account. So to find that, go to U button here at the bottom middle of your screen. And here just tap on credit balance. So you will find here how much balance you have left on your account. Now to find out how you can use the credit balance, as you can see here, let's take a look at the article. So here, as you can see, how do I use my Temu credit? So to use your Temu credit, follow these simple steps. First up, open the Temu app. Launch the Temu app on your device. Second step, browse and add items to your cart. Explore the wide range of products available in Temu. Once you find something you'd like to purchase, add it to your cart. Now, the third step here, proceed to checkout. When you're ready to complete your purchase, go to your cart and click on the checkout button. Fourth step, apply your Temu credit. During the checkout process, you'll see an option to apply any available credits or discounts. Use my referred code Temu credit codes, for example, this one here, and then sign up and both get credits for purchases. Enter Temu credit code there and click apply. Then the fifth step, review and confirm. Verify that the credit has been applied correctly. If everything looks good, proceed to confirm your order. So your Temu credit will be deducted from the total amount and you'll enjoy the benefits of your savings. So using Temu credit smartly can make your shopping journey more enjoyable and cost effective. So as you can see, does Temu credit expire? No, there's no such thing. We do not have an expiration date for Temu credit. So as you can see here from that article, the credit balance is the amount of money that you can spend on purchasing items. So for example, if you have $50, then the item you want to buy is $80. You can't buy the item if you don't have enough credits. So you can add some money on your credit balance so you will have enough money to spend with the same price. So that's it. That's how you basically use your credit balance on Temu. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.